Hi and welcome, this is my channel and I'm Jo, and today I'm going to be talking about the best places that I found to find a remote job. So I did move into IT from costume. I've got a whole thing, another video how I did that, but the best places that I found, and I'll get straight into it, is We Work Remotely is one of the websites that I really like. They're actual genuine companies in there. And some of them have the salary. That's the only thing that I don't particularly like about the job, is that you can't actually tell how much they're willing to pay. And obviously so a lot is catered for the USA, but there are a lot of jobs as well anywhere in the world. The next place that I like to look for is Seek. So I use Seek AU and I use Seek NZ, and you can actually filter the jobs by work from home. So you put in the wording work from home in where instead of the location, and you can find all the jobs that are willing to let you work from home. The other one to go to is Indeed. So Indeed is probably again a bit more of an American site, but there is a New Zealand based one, and in that one you put in remote and you can find the different jobs that way. And another job site that I found more recently is Jobs for Mums, which is not necessarily remote, but I really had to mention it because this New Zealand company started this website and they're just catering more for mums who want to like work from home or part-time. And I just think it's actually such a great idea, because since like having being made redundant, trying to find a part-time job that fits around my kid has really been hard. So I really like the fact that they've created this website. Some other tip that I want to give you as well is, if you see a job on Seek NZ or Seek AU, you can actually find out what salary they're looking for. You need to go to this website called whatsthesalary.com. You take the link from the job in Seek and paste it in, and it will actually fetch back the salary information. I'm not sure 100% how accurate that is, because obviously if you're looking for a job you could get totally ruled out if the salary just doesn't match at all. And one actually job I called up about today, and it actually said the job would be up to like 91,000, and they're saying like 86,000 is like the highest that they'll go. So I mean, it's fairly accurate, I would say, but it's just a really good starting point, I feel, to know whether it's more of like a beginner role or a senior. I personally haven't used any of the flex jobs sites at all, but another thing you can do is you can search, if you put in companies that work remotely, you can actually put that into Google and there's a whole load of different companies there. So if you can just look up those companies individually and then go to their careers website, their career page, you can actually find jobs that way as well. So you don't just rely on job boards. A lot of companies, sometimes it does cost companies to promote jobs on job board, and they might just promote it on their own website. So I hope you found this useful. These are the most reliable places that I found to look for remote work that, you know, isn't paying peanuts, because you can obviously put yourself on Fiverr or Upwork as well as a freelancer, but I honestly find that you're not going to get paid very well to do that. So I find these websites are better to find a better paying job. So don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this, and drop your comments below.